Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can use ChatGPT to write an essay. So it's very easy. We can get the two versions of ChatGPT. It has the official website and it also have the application provided. So here we are just gonna use the ChatGPT application. To get started, open up your ChatGPT application. Now the user face will appear somewhat like this, and on the message box type down I want to write down an essay. So you have to specifically write down the essay or the topics clearly in order to generate the chat clearly to you. You can also write down the amounts of word that you like, and once you have typed down your topics, you can just send it by tapping on the arrow button. Once you have sent it, ChatGPT will start generating the essay on the certain topic that you have provided, and you can just get the answer. As you can see on my screen, I have already got the answer. Once it's done, you are good to go. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.